Hello again, hiking friends. It's Kelly. Today is Tuesday, and we're going to check out Montana de Oro in lovely Los Osos, California. Perfect weather, not too many people. Let's check it out. The view far. About halfway up this thing. What the fuck was I thinking? I'm still sore from yesterday's hike. I'm trying this shit. I must be out of my mind. Holy shit. Valencia Peak. 1,347 feet above the ocean. Alright. Look at this. Little picnic table up here. If I'd have known there was this, I would have brought a sandwich. Holy shit. Pretty nice little hike. I'm pretty tired. I pretty much went straight up the shortest route possible to the top of this mountain from where I started, way down there beyond that patch of eucalyptus trees. So this is high enough. Pretty amazing view, 360 degrees. And I don't think I need to go any further up these trails today. I think I got my exercise. So anyway, I'm gonna relax here for a minute, and then I'm gonna head back down to my car, and maybe check out one of the other trails. And finally back down to the car. Alright, there you have it. The Valencia Peak hike by way of the, what was this? The Rattlesnake Trail to the Badger Trail to the Valencia Peak Trail, and then back down in reverse. So, wasn't quite a long hike, but it was pretty steep, and I think I definitely got my exercise for the day. So, that's it. This is Kelly signing off. Until next time, keep hiking.